Doing another caravan hack. See on the taps, this little hoover, it's just a diverter. It also has on and off valves on it, so you can turn it off without having to turn your tap off, which is very handy. So I can have one line coming out, these are both charged at the moment, but I can turn one of the lines off without turning the tap off, which is super handy when you're caravanning. So one of my lines goes over and connects to the caravan for our water, and the other line runs off, and it's super handy because I use it every day for a million things. Just find it, it's lying down here amongst gas lines and stuff. The other side's got this one, so as an example I've got doggy water here. Fill up the doggy water without having to go and unattach my main water line. Other tip is a lot of water in Australia is pretty gross. The caravan parks we stay at, very chlorinated. 25 bucks, eBay. Again, links are always on the bottom of the YouTube videos. This one's a taste and odour filter. It does about 1500 gallons, so call it 2,500 litres before you need to replace it. 25 bucks. Just plugs into your line. So just make a short line there to there with your standard hose fittings. Put your filter in, then it connects to your main line, which will run back to wherever you're getting your water from. They're amazing. The chlorine in the water, we're at Marlow at the moment, Victoria, and we just came from Malakuta. Both places have had heavy rain, and the dam water here is just gross. It's so muddy and stirred up, they've got to over-chlorinate it to a point where it's undrinkable, and it makes everything green. If you leave the water lying around for a day, it all goes green. So another tip, get yourself a diverter like that. It's about $7 from Bunnings, and it gives you the two lines, one for the caravan and one that I put that little hand squirter on, which is perfect. Also use the hand squirter for filling up a washing machine, 2 kilo washing machine, twin tub. Got it second hand, 60 bucks. See, that's the water from today. It actually works really well. One of the best things we've bought, really. And that's the washing side, and that's your spinning dry side. So these things, you wouldn't bother connecting this thing 100%. So I just use the hand sprayer, again, from the diverter, and I can fill this baby up in about 3 seconds and wash, the 4 kids' clothes for the day. We do that every day, so instead of spending between $4 to $10 at the laundromat, this handy little baby is enough for a family of 6 when we're camping. It uses no power and no water. It's incredible. You can put about 2 loads through before the water's like that. That's 2 full loads, like a family's worth of clothes for a day. And the spinner, and the whole thing runs on 140 watts, which is easily done with a solar setup. So solar panels and a couple of deep cycle batteries is enough to get that baby working if we're off site and have no access to power. But obviously here we've got a powered site, so and again, the hose diverter is perfect. I can just come in, spray, fill up, throw the hose over the front again, because a lot of the time it's beach feet, so the hose is great to be able to come out with your sprayer, and that's why it's generally at the front of the van, and we leave it over there just for the fact that this is where we're always walking through, trudging through, and that's where you get all the sand off your feet, filling up the dog's water. Say hello, dog. That's Roxy the dog, camping dog, good dog. And in the next few videos we'll do on tips and tricks. This is a engineered bit of kit that we have, and you can see the stabilisers, hydraulic arms that stabilise our caravan, all controlled from this baby, but I'll do another video on that later. Anyway, more camping hacks, Traveling Naturopath.